My name's Alan Hart and today I'm quite excited. I've got a new toy. So I've just ordered myself a new power flush machine. So what I thought I'd do, I thought I'd unbox it, show you what's inside it, and then later on we'll do some power flushing with it, and I'll do a long-term review on it. So let's have a look. Let's have a look what's in box. So I've been wanting one of these power flushes for quite a long time. Most people that I speak to say that it's very good and that they are the best power flush machine in the industry. So when people make claims like that, I like to see for myself. So that's why I bought one. Down here. We'll see what we get inside the box. So this machine, this is the one with the thermal heater in it. So if we're on a system where the boiler's not working, we'll still be able to heat the water up. So we've got a couple of hoses there. And then we've got the power flush machine itself. So this has got the heater on this one. So I think that will come in very useful. But as I say, we'll try that on some jobs and then we'll see what we think to it. And as always, I'll just give you an honest review. People can take it or leave it. I'll tell you what I believe is the truth, and then you can form your own opinions from that. So one thing I point out with this, which I really do like, it's not round. So I've always had round ones before, and you struggle to fit them in van because it wastes so much space. So that's one thing straight away that I think is really good with it. So another thing that I really like is it comes with a tub. So with this tub, when you're power flushing, you can put your power flush machine inside the tub. So if for any reason it started to overflow, it'd overflow into your tub, which for me, that is a big worry. So if you're in a customer's house and you've got your power flush machine up in the airing cupboard or up near airing cupboard, it could overflow sometimes. So this is a really good extra feature. So we've got a plug there, and that's for the thermal heater. And then we've got another plug here, and this one is for the power flush pump itself. So what we'll do now is we'll have a look in the box and we'll see what else comes with the power flush machine. Come inside, let's have a look. So when we look inside, we've got some instructions with some powdered chemicals. So we'll have to have a look. We'll have to have a look into them a little bit more. I've not seen them before. We've got some sludge remover, and then some more system cleaner. So we'll have to have a look at them a bit later. Got some wheels on the machine, and then we've just got some different types of hoses. And again, they've got your cam connectors on them. And then we've got some different types of connectors in here. So the one there looks like that's for connecting onto radiators or onto some copper pipe. That looks really good, that actually. one there, that's for connecting onto the pump valves, I believe. Right, so that's it. So that's us Norstorm Proflush thermal heater power flush machine, and we've got us hoses, and then we've got us bits and bats here. These here, I'm right impressed with them. I don't know why, but they'll connect straight onto 15mm copper, so I think that's a really good idea. So what we're going to do is we're going to see how we go with this, and I'll come back to you. So we'll do some power flushing, and I'll do some videos of the power flushing when I do it, and I'll come back to you and I'll review it and I'll tell you honestly what I think to it. Thanks for watching.